Okay, in this lesson, I want to explain the Magic Wand tool, and based on it, I want to explain Sampler tool. These are for selecting something inside the polygon. For example, we insert this coffee cup here, and it's not important. Another simple. You can cancel it. Go up. Some simple things. Insert it. Nice. As you can see, this is a door of that coffee cup, and as you can see, it's from some polygons, as you can see. For example, if you want to assign a material to this specific part, you have to go to Magic Wand, select Magic Wand tool, and the selection size is tiny. It's better being a tiny. It means if you select this, just another click, as you can see, it select this polygon based on its edges here. If you want to add, you can holding shift or holding control to, I think, another shift. Yeah. Holding control. Okay, yeah, with a shift, you can add your selection. For example, we want to change the material of these selection. Okay, this is all about the Magic Wand. If you want to select the more space, you can define it to small, medium, or large. If you select large, it selects actually all objects. Okay, this is our. You can go to this selection and deselect it. Nice. Okay. Going to the material and define the material that has a texture on it. As you can see, it has a texture on it, this material. For example, we like this material and we want to assign it to for example, the door of this. Okay, we have some tools here, just sampler. This sampler pick material. What is the material? Material contain the reflection, texture, everything. The behavior of the material object. But sometimes we don't need, for example, this texture. We want to select the color of that. Let's select material. Click on the screen. As you can see, it's picked the material of that object and it shows in here. As you can see, the plastic material with the texture is called here because it's exactly the material here. It's defined. And if you want to apply to another object, you have to go in here or holding Alt. This tool means, okay, click, it's apply this material to this part. Nice. As you can see, because we select whole object, it's defined to the whole. As you can see, the material transfer exactly this situation in this door. So you can apply the material, for example, this material, you like it, for example, the scene, you can click, because we selected this material, you have to select it. I think, yeah, go to the selection tool, then another activate it. Okay. As you can see, this material is in its memory. So what we can do, insert another object. And I forgot to tell you that it is in an apply mode. Sorry for that. Be careful about this because in the apply mode and it's memorized its color and material and it just this shape of the mouse is important. It is in for picking the material. For example, I want to pick this material from here. Now I can pick it and change it because it is in a pick mode and then apply it to that. Okay. And the important thing here is it's a link. If you link these two objects, if you change it, it will be changed here. Look at these actions, okay? And these are about material that I explained later. Okay, Control Z. I apply it, and I want to apply to this. For applying that, holding Alt, as you can see, the shape of the mouse is changing, and it's dropped that color that you pick here in this. And click. Apply it. No. Okay. Okay. Another thing, it's important that, as you can see, it's selected. Be careful about it. Deselect everything to don't be confusing. Okay, I want to assign, for example, this material exactly to the small part of this shape. So in this case, so you learn it, okay? But another picking is just pick a color. Just pick a color. As you can see, if you click, it just pick a color. As you can see, RGB. It just pick a color, not material behavior, reflection, roughness, anything. Just color of that. Then you can, holding Alt and click, as you can see, just the color of that material transfer to this object, not the whole things. So going to the material again, nice. So going to the pick object, yeah, I pick this, and because it was selected from before, any click, it transferred to that. So go to the selection, deselect everything, and again, go to the magic wand tool. Here you can, by click and drag. If you select it, you can by click and drag it to select something, okay? If you going in this mode, or you can add, or you can. It's on selection mode, okay? But I holding shift to select, for example, okay, these parts, okay, and this part that I selected, I want to assign some material that I picked from here. And as you can see, it's in a memory, and just you have to holding Alt and click because these are selected. And as you can see, we just assign the material, not the color. As you can see, transfer the texture to this. This stretches is because the behavior in the material, I explain it, don't worry. If you double click on it, you can go to the material properties here, and you can change the offset, repeat, anything that you want. So you learn how to select a tiny object, a polygon object, part of the object with the magic wand tool. It's better than a tiny. And then you learn how to sample some material or color with this tool, and holding Alt to transfer to this tool and apply it to the other part of the object. Don't forget to be on this tool, then holding Alt is better. And then don't forget to go to play with the selection tool and then apply another object. Hello, my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.